Narrowing down your tie collection to 5 pieces is all you need. With just 5 ties, you can cover every situation that demands a tie. Usually business, weddings, parties, or any special occasion with a lounge suit dress code. The number 5 allows you to have maximum versatility for your essential suits such as your navies and grays, without having to dedicate a lot of time for choosing a suitable tie. Having a small and focused collection of versatile ties means each one gets regular use, justifying investment in higher quality pieces that will last for years. Additionally, these selections travel well. You could pack just these 5 ties for a business trip or vacation and be prepared for any situation that might arise. I choose these ties on the basis that they remain rather conservative and versatile, so you can wear them with just any suit without stepping out of your comfort zone. This selection can be adjusted to your personal lifestyle, needs and taste. Ultimately, it's a selection that will work for most men in most cultures and most environments. Let's get started. The first tie is a solid navy silk tie. Is it the most basic? Yes. But is it boring? Not at all. This one will serve you for any occasion that demands a tie. You can pair it with your essential navy, blue and grey suits, whether it's a light or dark suit. A solid navy tie will also work with just any dress shirt, whether it's white or blue. Furthermore, it will work for just any season. You can't fail with a solid navy tie. As a demonstration for this tie, I chose a light grey suit with a blue pinpoint Oxford shirt. This look clearly demonstrates how a light grey suit can be turned into formal territory by choosing a conservative, solid navy tie. The blue shirt and navy tie work together beautifully. This light suit is a perfect example for a summer suit styled formally. The next tie is a grey silk tie with a diamond pattern. Grey ties are also very versatile. I would even say comparable to your navy ties. Again, they work with all your essential suits. I argue that grey ties also do pair beautifully with grey suits. However, I'd be more careful to not choose a solid grey tie or a tie in the same grey shade, as it would look too matchy-matchy. Having said that, I'm demonstrating this grey tie with a navy double-breasted blazer and a white shirt. To make it a perfectly formal outfit, I'm wearing a white shirt here, as a blue shirt would not give that dramatic contrast I'm looking for in a formal outfit. The diamond pattern is just a little ornament that adds some spice to the outfit without diluting its formality. Navy and grey work together so well and are your formal weapon to look sharp and ready for the day. The third one is a silk tie in dark purple. A purple tie gives you a bit more color to add to your outfits. It suits your navies and greys perfectly, without having to worry about a matchy-matchy look. Whether it's a navy, grey or purple tie, you can't do anything wrong. For this demonstration I selected a single-breasted grey suit with a sharkskin or pick-and-pick weave and a white pinpoint Oxford shirt. Purple and grey look stunning. It's a very formal look that has some color to it, but it's never overwhelming or inappropriate. Although it's a safe bet, it's never boring. To add even more personality, you could go for a complementing pocket square, such as this patterned one. Subtle colors just feel more appropriate than adventurous color choices. The next tie is a navy tie with a geometric pattern. This tie is as versatile as your solid navy tie, but it has that little extra of visual interest that I particularly find very stylish. It pairs beautifully with your grey suits. However, if your navy or blue suit has a different shade than this blue, you can also wear a monochromatic look. And apart from your basic formal suits, it also really suits just any casual suit. By introducing just a little pattern, you won't go overboard, and you will still look very appropriate for any tie occasion. This tie too offers incredible versatility. This is one crucial aspect if you consider a tie for a well-curated wardrobe. Personally, this is one of my absolute favorite ties. That's why I paired it here with my double-breasted off-white suit in a wool linen blend and a blue linen shirt to show you how this tie elevates a casual suit to a very put-together look. It demonstrates how this tie too is a master in formal and casual territories. Last but not least, we have a regimental silk tie. Regimental ties can vary in color and width of their stripes. Many are associated with specific clubs, schools, regiments or societies. So if you're concerned about proper etiquette, you may want to choose patterns that are less likely to have strong institutional associations. If you want most versatility to match your basic navy, blue and grey suits, go for a tie that implements navy or blue. Again, ties with navy are perfect for grey suits, but also work with navy suits, if selected carefully. If you pick a navy tie, the color of the tie should be just a little darker or brighter than the navy suit's fabric. This one is navy with bronze and green accents. I've paired it with a textured navy blazer and a white pinpoint Oxford shirt. It works together so well and makes for a very stylish look, perfect for business casual. Alternatively, you could even wear it with brown or green blazers and suits for personalized style, demonstrating how regimental ties work for more casual outfits. I think having a color in the tie that's already presented in your suit makes styling a regimental tie easier. Another regimental tie that is one of my absolute favorites is a navy white striped tie. It works for semi-formal outfits as well as casual styles. It has that maritime look to it that I find utterly stylish and perfect for summer outfits. What do all of these ties have in common? They are all in muted colors. While each tie incorporates some color, they lean toward neutral and dusty tones rather than bold, saturated hues. Why is this important? Because muted ties are more conservative and understated. None of these are statement pieces, which is exactly the point. Their subtlety makes them extremely versatile and easy to pair with classic suits like navy and grey. If your suit already has a bit of flair, whether it's a more vivid color or a textured fabric, these ties won't compete for attention. Instead, they support the look and keep the suit as the focal point. They even pair well with more casual suits. In short, these ties are workhorses. They fit seamlessly into a wide range of outfits, from everyday office looks to more polished formal wear. Yes, buying ties is fun. With so many colors, patterns and textures to choose from, it's tempting to grab the flashiest one. And sure, a bold statement tie has its place in a wardrobe. But a well-curated tie collection starts with essentials like these. Having these 5 ties on hand means you will always have a reliable option, no matter the occasion or level of formality. They make styling easy and eliminate the guesswork. Whether you're dressing for a casual event or a formal meeting, these ties have you covered. By the way, all of these ties I have tied with a 4-in-1 hand knot. It's my favorite because it's easy to tie, it has that slight asymmetry that I love, and its comparably small knot suits my oval-shaped face well. If you like a larger and symmetrical knot, I suggest the Windsor or half Windsor knot. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments what tie you love and what tie gives you the most styling choices. I will see you in the next video.